Hello guys, I wanted to show you quickly and briefly how to add patterns that I will have included with this software. I want to show you how to add patterns into Photoshop if you've never done that before. So I will show you. Once you get Creative Cloud pulled up, go ahead and pull up Photoshop. Once Photoshop is open, if you don't see it on this section, you'll end up going up here to Window, and you'll go down to where patterns is. It's very important that you upload all the patterns that I include with this software, because without them, then the software won't apply correctly for the canvas, the acrylic, the metal, or the wood frames. So you'll want to make sure that you do put these patterns inside your account so that we can make sure that everything runs smoothly for you. It's very simple to do. Again, once you went up to Window, you click on Patterns. It will pull up your Patterns section over here. Now, I do already have the patterns in my system, but I will show you as if I don't. I will do an example with one pattern so you can see, but you will do this with all your patterns. I'll erase my white wood grain pattern. I'll just right-click and delete that pattern. So now it's gone, and we are going to add this back in to the pattern section. So what we'll do is you can do one of two things. You can either click on this, which will create a new group, and we can call this material choice, whatever you want to name it. We'll call it material choice, and I will right-click, and then I will go to import patterns. On the patterns, you will end up getting in my software again the bonus and the patterns with this already. So all these patterns I will be giving you. I ended up making a copy of the white wood to show you as an example, but since I just deleted that white one, I'll just use the original since I have to put this back into my account now. So I will double click on the white wood grain to add this pattern in. And as you can see, it added its own new group with that white wood. If we want to put this in material choice that we had created, we can either just drag and drop it into the material choice. So now it's in there, and you can put all your patterns in one place. Or if you want, you can also rename the group here, or rename this group. We'll say that that's how it had come in and imported. You can just rename that group instead of it saying white wood grain. Name it whatever you want, select OK, and that's how you can name your folder. But it's as simple as, like I said, just importing it. I'll do that one quick time again for you guys, but it's very simple. Let me delete this group real quick, and I will delete the material choice group as well. Okay. My white wood grain is no longer there, so what we want to do is right-click, import patterns. If you don't have a pattern already in, you can just go on your group that you create. So let's, I'll start again from scratch. We'll just name that. And I can right-click on that group and select right-click, import patterns. Go to white wood grain that you will have in the document you'll receive when you buy the software. These will be all your patterns in there. Select white wood grain. And now you'll see that it created its own subfolder with the white wood grain in there. Again, if you do want to drag and drop, just take that, drag it to the folder you want it in. I created one that was named wood patterns to keep it simple when I'm using frames. Now I know I can choose which option for my wood. So on and so forth. In my all patterns, I do have a section in there for the brushed metal and the patterns that I would use for that. And I have my wood patterns when I use the wooden frames. So it's that easy to upload a pattern. Make sure that you do upload all of the patterns that I do give you in this software package into your Photoshop so that everything can run smoothly for you. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thank you.